And cutting across to some breaking news coming up at top of the bulletin. Now, in connection to the Bihar Public Service Commission exam and the protests, the BPSC has sent a notice to Prashant Kishore asking him to prove corruption charges within 7 days. BPSC has taken strict action on the allegations made by Jan Swaraj chief Prashant Kishore. It will take legal action if the notice is not replied to with evidence. Remember, viewers, Prashant Kishore has been on an indefinite strike demanding re-examination of the BPSC exam over allegations of paper leak. Now, BPSC has issued a 5-page legal notice to Prashant Kishore and sought a reply within 7 days. BPSC official sources say that the notice has been issued and evidence of the allegations made by Prashant Kishore have been sought. Let's go across to Prakash, my colleague who's joining us on the phone line to get us more details on this. Prakash, a very good morning to you. Notice being sent to Prashant Kishore of the Jan Swaraj Party amid his indefinite strike demanding re-examination of the BPSC exam. Of course, the body has sought an explanation from Prashant Kishore with evidence. What more details are you picking up?
Well, Prashant Kishore had alleged that all the seats in the BP exam has been sold out, and it has been sold out. Each seat has been sold out to the tune of 1 to 1.5 crore rupees, extending up to a scam of 1,000 crore. But the BPSC says that it is done with malified intention and to gain cheap popularity, because Prashant Kishore has not been gaining any traction in the political arena of Bihar, and that is why the BPSC has sent him a legal notice as to explaining with evidence as to how the seats have been sold. And that is what the BPSC has said, and they have given him 7 days time to explain or give a substantial reply to these allegations, else the matter will be taken to the court of law and a separate case would be lodged against Prashant Kishore. Now, this has come as a huge blow to Prashant Kishore, because we as journalists have also been tracking all these kind of stories, that in order to gain cheap popularity, Prashant Kishore has been making malified intentions without any substantial evidences. And in order to gain traction in the political arena of Bihar, he is on indefinite fast, because in the recently concluded by-elections held in Bihar, he suffered a massive blow despite making tall claims that he is going to defeat Nitish Kumar. Now, he is facing the heat of the political dust in Bihar, because being a backroom boy in politics, crunching data and actual politics is different. That's what he's realized now. He's trying to make allegations so that he can gain the support of the students. But till date, even though he's on indefinite strike, he's not been gaining much momentum from the student bodies, and most of the supporters are his employees or the Jan Swaraj Karyakartas. So we'll wait and watch and keep a track on this story as to how the BPSC takes up this allegations, as also the case related to it. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Prakash, for joining us and sharing those updates with us from Bihar. For now, viewers, let's shift our focus, because we're getting in another big breaking news coming in from West Bengal. Now, we're learning that a pregnant woman has died in Midnapur after being injected with expired saline. An inquiry panel has been formed. Now, the news has sparked fresh concerns on maternal deaths in West Bengal. Now, several other pregnant women fell ill after being given saline. This was on Thursday. One of them has died today. The remaining pregnant women are in a critical condition and are under ventilation. They've been put on ventilator support. Now, seeking report on the incident of the death in the Midnapur Medical College. Many pregnant women have fallen ill Now, according to sources, the health department has called for a report on the entire incident.